Hi, the pink one is back. And today I'm not gonna talk about food, make food or eat food, even though that's my favorite subject. I make food every day, 6 hours a day. And when I'm coming home, you know what I do? I watch Food Network until I go to sleep. I know I'm crazy. But today I'm going to talk about my phone. As you may know, I put some videos out on YouTube and I used my iPhone 6s. It's old, the memory is almost full, and the sound was very bad. So, a couple of days ago, my husband bought me this one. Galaxy A33 5G. And so now I hope that there's a big difference in the sound and in the videos generally, with the pictures or everything. So it would be nice if you could comment if you see any difference or not. I know sorry, a lot of you that makes YouTube videos use iPhones, but is the quality so much better for 1,000 euros more? I don't know. Maybe it is, maybe it's not. So if you want to comment, do that. But even better, if you like and subscribe. And how strange. My friends, the Canaries, are quiet. Normally they want to talk with you as well. Have a nice day. Ciao.